Good day, Doctor. We are Group 1 from Mechanical and Electrical Systems, Section 5. My name is Salomia Angel Ana Perempuan Sevistian, and my group members are Muhammad Adli Arif bin Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Haziq Fahmi bin Zainuddin, Sivesh Ana Lalaki Ravi Chandran, and Harish Ana Lalaki Kanan. Today, we are going to present our project report regarding the application of mechanical, including air conditioning an electrical distribution system in a semi-detached two-story house. Ventilation is the process of replacing contaminated indoor air with fresh air from outside of the building. It can also be used to control indoor air quality, temperature, humidity, and air motion, which benefits thermal comfort while also satisfying other desired aspects of the indoor environment. As a result, a ventilation system is an essential component of any building structure. In this report, we'll have a look on three main systems, which are mechanical ventilation system, air conditioning system, and electrical distribution system. Mechanical ventilation systems extract stale air and supply fresh air to rooms in a house or building. Mechanical ventilation and heat recovery systems, for example, extract and supply. Mechanical ventilation systems are classified into four types, which are mechanical ventilation heat recovery system, centralized mechanical extraction system, also known as mechanical extraction ventilation, decentralized mechanical extraction system, and positive input ventilation system. For the air conditioning system, it is a system that cools down the temperature in a room by removing the existing heat and moisture. Air conditioning, also known as AC. They function essentially by drawing warm air into a system and dispersing cold air. But there is much more to this process. The evaporation of another fluid known as the refrigerant cools a fluid during the home air conditioning process. Electrical distribution systems are a critical component of the power system. A distribution network is required to transfer electrical power from an alternating current AC or direct current DC source to the location where it will be used. Power distribution from where it is generated to where it is used can be quite simple. To transfer electrical power from the power plant to industries, homes, and commercial buildings, more complex power distribution systems are used.
Ventilation is the international introduction of outdoor air and indoor space. Natural ventilation harnesses naturally available forces to supply and remove air in enclosed space. Poor ventilation in rooms may significantly increase the localized moldy smell, especially in the room corners. Mechanical ventilation is deliberately driven by the fan flow of outdoor air entering the building. Mechanical ventilation is usually provided by equipment that is also used to heat and cool the space. For the background of mechanical ventilation, almost a lot of the historical building structures were ventilated naturally, being designed with lots of enormous windows. But because it was popular back then, it does not maintain to the current popularity, especially in the digital era nowadays. Due to modern advances in the civil structural and infrastructural development industry, most buildings were designed in a more contemporary, modern, and much less windowed fashion. Yet, the ventilation system is then led to another peak state from the old traditional modes of natural ventilation to new innovative modes of mechanical ventilation or the mixed mode ventilation system, hybrid ventilation.
For the part of our case study building, mechanical ventilation for kitchen and bathroom, the amount of pollution in the kitchen is significantly influenced by kitchen ventilation, in addition to other elements such as fuels, cooking temperature, the use of oils, and food components. For example, improved ventilation in the kitchen can offset or compensate for the determinal effects of the other factors stated above on the quality of air inside the kitchen. So it is easy to ensure that the space has proper ventilation by using the kitchen's exhaust fan and ceiling fan. People usually begin and end their day in the bathroom, where they remove their makeup, take a shower, and prepare for bed. A fan in the bathroom will be practical and attractive, an excellent choice for adding some class and circulation to the bathroom, which will aid with cooling things up after a hot shower. So a ceiling fan's tolerance to moisture should be looked into depending on where it will be installed. These are the fans and ventilators we will use for the kitchen and bathroom. As you can see, we've picked the specific items to meet with our needs of our ventilation.
My name is Haji. For me, I will explain about electrical distribution system. Electrical is a fundamental component of the natural world, and it is also one of the sources of energy that is utilized more frequently. The term distribution system refers to the component of the power grid that is responsible for the transmission and distribution of electrical power for local consumption. In many cases, the distribution system refers to the electrical system that exists between the substation that is full with by the transmission system and the meter that are located in home and other buildings that use electricity. Primary distribution system. The section of the AC distribution system that function at voltage somewhat higher than the general use is known as a primary distribution system. The quantity of power that has to be transported as well as the distance of the substance that need to be supplied both influence the primary distribution voltage that is employed. Primary distribution voltage of 11 kV, 12, 22 kV, 6.6 kV, and 400 to over 230 volt are utilized by Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Because of financial consideration, the principal distribution is accomplished through the employment of the three-phase, three-wire system. Next, secondary distribution system. The secondary distribution system is comprised of the several voltage range at which consumed make use of the available electrical power. The electrical power that is produced at the generation station is sent through the transmission system to the secondary substation. After arrive at the secondary substation, the power is distributed by the primary alternating current distribution system, and then it is distributed by the secondary alternative current distribution system to the consumer or loading. Metal house distribution. First, radial distribution. In most cases, the main intake is comprised of the main switch that is linked to fuse switch by means of a bus bar chamber. From the primary intake panel to the subsidiary distribution panel, which may be located in different buildings or at critical spots inside the same, such as a number of distinct feeder cables are routed. Next, remain distribution. A remain circuit will be taken around the site in the event of a large-scale development project that include multiple structures situated around the prior property perimeter, and supply would be poured into each individual building. The benefit of each building as well as particular areas of the ring may be separated without turning off the wall's installation. Because the current may travel in either direction, the voltage drop is significantly reduced. Next, single-phase electrical system. For this diagram, we calculate that this picture we sketch from the distribution electrical plan.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ali Arif bin Abdul Rahman, and I will present about the air conditioning system. So air conditioning is a heating and cooling system that eliminates heat and moisture from a room. They work by bringing in warm air and dispersing cold air, but there's a lot more to it than that. During the home air conditioning process, the evaporation of another fluid known as the refrigerant cools a fluid, typically water or air. Simply put, an air conditioning system manages the temperature, humidity, and air quality of indoor areas. So, for the installation of air conditioning in our project, This project has decided to install 3 units of air conditioning where it will be located at living room, master bedroom and bedroom 1. For the calculation of area capacity, the first one is the living room. For the living room, the area is 268.02 feet square. So this area will be recommended to has a cooling capacity of 7,000 BTU. The second one is the master bedroom. The master bedroom comes with area of 263.18 feet square. So the master bedroom also require a cooling capacity of 7,000 BTU. And last one for the bedroom 1, the area is 114.96 feet square. So the bedroom 1 is recommended to has only 5,000 BTU of cooling capacity. So for the recommendation for air conditioning for the living room and master bedroom, we choose the model from Sharp with name Tech Inventor Plasma Cluster Air Conditioner. The code is AHXP13WMD. The price is around RM2000 and the design is wall mounted. So it comes with the cooling capacity of 13,000 BTU, and this is the most compatible air conditioning for our living room and master bedroom. So for the bedroom 1, we recommended to use by the same company Sharp Tech Inventor Plasma Cluster Air Conditioner. The price is around 1,799. The dimension is quite different, which is for the bedroom 1, 879 times 269 times 229. It comes with a cooling capacity of 9,000 BTU.
Next, I will explain the conclusion as our last part for our project presentation. The information has led to the conclusion that electrical infrastructure is very significant in building. Electrical system is in a structure and the various parts of the building come with the number of advantages. Electricity is required for the proper function of a variety of devices and apply located inside a structure. Lighting and fan are two examples of extra equipment and addition that necessitate the use of electrical infrastructure. The appropriate operation of the air condition in the building guarantees that the environment is ideal for the building operation. The energy necessary to maintain the building in good condition in all time is supplied by the building electrical system. Lighting system play an important role in the overall individual to improve nighttime safety. That's all from our group. Thank you.